I got Nerf, Zombie Strike, Sling Fire. The gun I've been telling you guys about. Not the Retaliator or anything, just this. As you can see, it's not going to fit on the screen, so I'm going to have to take photos of unboxing it. I watched a Nerf board production video, and it took him a long time to unbox this, so that's why I don't want to do an unboxing bit. So yeah, I'll just put out some photos. So yeah, watch the photos and see how I unbox. Zombie Strike, half Elite Dots. Yeah, so you get 6 Zombie Strike dots. Instruction manual. So there's that side and that side. First of all, it's got instructions printed on here, a jam door here, check for your jams, a iron sight here, a non-removable stock with a sling point here, the, what do they call it, lever action, their lever. And now let's check out the clip itself. Then I'm bad at this. There we go. So we've got the 6-dot clip. Let's load it up. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Don't dare come out. Right. It's just that I like keeping it straight. There. There. Now, let's put in this clip. What I learned is you have to keep the lever out, pull this back, then put the clip in. Now, cock this back. It's locked. This is amazing. Okay, so now you want to watch that. There you go. There's one dot. Okay, So that's all of them. Hope you guys saw them. 6. So there you guys go, my review and unboxing of